Daily practice to open your heart chakra. Do you ever feel that it's hard to fully love yourself or the other person in your life? Maybe you're being holding on to your past pain and struggling to forgive. These could be the signs that your heart chakra is blocked. The energy center of love, compassion is out of balance. In today's video, I am going to guide you through 7 simple daily practices to open your heart chakra and invite more love, more peace, joy into your life. Stay till the end because these practices can truly transform how you connect with yourself and others. Hi, I am Sanskriti Sethi. I'm an Akashic record reader, automatic writing and mediumship coach, a numerologist, and a soul guide to all of you. The heart chakra, located at the center of your chest, governs love, empathy, forgiveness, emotional balance. When it's open, you feel connected, compassionate, and at peace. But when it is blocked, you may feel lonely, resentment, and emotionally closed almost all the time. The good news is that with consistent daily practices, you can open your heart chakra and create a space for healing and unconditional love. Practice ritual number 1. Morning gratitude practice. Start your day by listening these 3 things that you're grateful about. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive and open your heart to receiving more love. Write your gratitude list in a journal and say it out loud while placing your hand over your heart chakra. For example, I am grateful for my health, the people I love, and the opportunity to grow each day. The simple practice instantly raises your vibration, aligns to your heart chakra with gratitude. You feel absolutely aligned for the rest of the day. Number 2, practice heart-centered breathing. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, breathe deeply. Imagine a green light flowing into your chest with each inhale and expanding with love and compassion. With each exhale, release any pain, resentment, heaviness. When you do it every single day, you do not allow your heart chakra to hold any energy and you be emotionally free. Number 3, use a lot of affirmation. I am love. I am love. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I am open to giving and receiving love. Say them in front of mirror with great impact, connecting directly to your inner self. Number 4, connect with nature. Spend time outside, especially greenery. The heart chakra resonates with the color green, making nature a natural healer around us. Walk barefoot on grass, sit under a tree, simply take a stroll in a park. Focus on feeling the love and harmony in nature, the world around you. Nature's calming energy help you ground yourself and align to your heart chakra. Number 5, practice forgiveness. Holding on to grudges or pain can block your heart chakra. Take these small steps towards forgiving yourself and others. Write a forgiveness letter, which you obviously don't have to send, or simply affirm, I choose to forgive and let go, and you can take that person's name. Remember, forgiveness is a gift that you're giving to yourself for lifting your emotional weight and not to the other person. For additional support, you can wear crystals like rose quartz, green aventurine, kunzite, known for enhancing love and forgiveness in life. Number 6, practice love, kindness, and meditation. Sit 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, imagine sending love to yourself, then extend those love to someone who is close to you, and finally your entire world is full of love. These meditation expand your capacity for love and strengthen your connection with others. Number 7, use heart opening crystals. Crystals can amplify your intention to heal, balance your heart chakra. Amazonite, rose quartz, green aventurine, all these balances your heart chakra. To keep this energy with you throughout the day, consider wearing a heart chakra bracelet like our Healing with Love bracelet, which is energized and come with a lot of emotional balance and unconditional love. Balancing your heart chakra is a journey, but these daily practices will help you begin to feel lighter on day-to-day basis, more connected and open to love. Which of these practices resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comment section. If you're looking for additional tools to support your heart chakra, check out our collection on Energized Bracelet at www.sanskritisethiglobal.com. Each piece is designed to align and heal your energy center. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to give love back to us, and for more tips for spiritual growth in the coming days. Together, let's open our hearts and create a more living world. Until next time, see you and take care.